Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wig. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below or in the description box, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. So the first thing you're going to need is a lace net. I'll put an Amazon link in the description box down below just in case you're interested. So you can get this lace from Amazon, Alibaba, or AliExpress. And then instead of buying like the entire net, you can just buy like these small ones, like ear to ear. This is like a lace front net or a 4x4 net, the one that they have already cut for you. Okay, so I'll put an Amazon link for all these products in the description box down below and all the items that I'm going to use today. Just in case you're interested guys, you can check the description box down below. So in this tutorial I'm going to sew the lace on the cap and then cut the cap so that I'm left with the lace. Or you can just buy the cap that has a lace on it, like a cap that has like a 4x4 net on it already, or like a frontal lace on it already. After I sewed the lace on the cap, I went ahead and cut the cap so that I'm left with the lace. So again guys, you can get this cap from Amazon, Alibaba, or AliExpress instead of going through all this process of sewing the lace and then cutting the cap. These are the braids that I'm going to use. The tutorial I shared with you on how to make these braids, I'll put a link in the description box down below as well. The next step is to mark where you're going to sew or where you're not supposed to sew, or the style of the wig that you're going to create. So this is the shape that I've marked and I'm going to follow the lines. I'm not going to sew on the lines, but the lines are going to guide me on where I'm supposed to sew. So I'm going to pin down my braids and then sew the braids on the cap. So guys, if you watched my previous videos on how to make these braids or how to sew these braids, I'm just going to use the same process. Pin them down and then sew them on the cap, and then I'm going to follow my line.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? Cause I'm feeling so good. Memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, y más convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, y más crecemos en número, solo un trueno ves horizontes, seremos miles, y más allá.
So guys, I'm done sewing and this hair is very light, so I'm going to sew bands just to make it more secure on my head, and then apply concealer on the lace to make it blend with my complexion and make it look more natural. And so this is how it looks on my head, guys. Like, it looks so natural and beautiful. So I'm going to show you different ways in which you can style this wig. that was it for today, guys. Just comment below if you love this color, if you love this style, and also if you're interested, guys, I'll leave my details down below so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.